My name is Sartho. I studied in class 8C and I made a Morse code encoder and decoder code. So we have to press the green flag.
Wait 3 seconds.
Now here we have to specify that what we have to do. Either we have to code or we have to decode. So we will code first. Then we have to enter the word. So I will enter the name of my teacher. It breaks all the word and enter it in a list. Then we have to press up arrow key, and after the tone we have to press the down arrow key to enter the Morse code there. So this is the Morse code of my teacher's name. Now we have to press left arrow key to open the mode selection menu, and we will type decode here.
Arrow key. Enter the codes individually.
Now we will press right arrow key and we will enter the code. So if we will enter dot dash, then it will give the code A. Then we will enter dash dot, it will give N, and dash dot dash, it will give K, and dot dot will give I, and dash will give T. And we have to press the end button to end the code.